Since January, the market is pumping. Sadly, NFTs are not, but thankfully, there are some companies who are still innovating in the NFT space, and hopefully, we'll see the fruits of that labor in the upcoming months. In this video, we're going to take a look specifically at a project called Backpack, which is being developed by a company called Coral. At first glance, you would say, well, Backpack is just another wallet. Of course, there is more than meets the eye. Backpack is actually a framework and is used as an operating system for the latest token standard called xNFT. So with the Backpack wallet, you'll be able to run this quote-unquote operating system straight from your browser, allowing you to interact and execute xNFTs with just a click of a button. Now, this of course brings us to the next question. What the hell are xNFTs? As we can see on the website of Coral, which is again the company that is creating the xNFT standard and the Backpack operating system. So xNFTs, the X stands for executable, and it's at the heart of the innovation. So regular NFTs, they contain metadata describing how this NFT is unique and what they're made of and so forth. And the xNFT standard will go one step further by including executable code. Now, why is this important? Well, a simple example would be if you buy a dGods NFT and you want to receive the tokens, well, that means that you have to stake your dGods NFT. Now, how can you do that? Well, basically, you have to go to the website of dGods, so interact with a third-party website using the wallet that holds your dGods and then put it into a smart contract. Needless to say, this introduces another layer of complexity and it has some additional security risks. So in contrast to using a third-party website, if this would have been an xNFT, it would include all the code that you need to perform this staking. And you simply go to your Backpack wallet, click on the button, and you'll be able to stake right from your wallet. Now let's take this thought experiment a little bit further and imagine that we integrate this xNFT standard across different chains and integrate it directly into your browser, into your phone, and so forth. That would mean that you can run all the different Web3 apps directly from your browser or from your phone without having to install a third-party wallet, going to a different website, connecting, and so forth. I think this will be really the next step in making the Web3 experience truly seamless, and that's why I'm excited about this whole concept. Now, when we're talking about mobile, of course, the first thing you think about is the Google Play Store and the Google App Store, and that is exactly what we have here as well. This is called the xNFT library, and this is the place, just like an App Store, where you can find all the different applications that follow the xNFT standard. In the top right corner, we see a little connect button for the Backpack wallet. So the first thing that we have to do is install the Backpack wallet. Installing the Backpack wallet is very easy. You go to the official website, which is called backpack.app. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Then we click on download, which will take us to the Chrome Web Store. And over here, you just click install and install the browser plugin. Once we've installed the browser plugin, the first thing we do is create an account. Then we come up with a username, say blah, blah, blah. Then click continue. And then we can create a wallet. So the first step is creating a username that can be used throughout the Backpack network. And the next thing we'll do is create a new wallet. So once we click create new wallet, we see the classical setup. We write down our 12 different phrases. This is our seed phrase. Never, ever, ever, ever give this to anyone. Anyone who has these words has access to your entire wallet. So again, this is very important. Of course, I'm not going to use this one. So just write everything down. Click on I save my secret recovery phrase and then click next. Once your account is set up, it is of course important to add some funds. Now, since most of this technology is running on Solana, I do propose that you put some funds on Solana and not on Ethereum, even though you can also add Ethereum as a supported network to do some cross-chain transactions. But again, xNFT is now supported on Solana, so if you want to play around with it, I propose putting some money and some SOL in your wallet. Once you've done that, you can go to the apps. We see that the Prices app is installed by default. And over here, we can find a link to the xNFT app page. That's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to click this icon. That will bring us back to the NFT library. Once we put some funds in our wallet, we go back to the NFT library. We click on connect. And once connected, we can choose one of these applications. So let's just say we want to install Flappy Bird. There we go. This will pop up a screen asking us to pay a very small transaction to install the application in our wallet. Then we click approve. Then we see in the left corner that Flappy Bird has been installed. And if we then open up our wallet again, we now see that I installed a whole bunch of applications. Here we have Flappy Bird, Aurora, and so forth. And if you want to play it, we just click it and it will open up directly in our wallet. There you go. Now we can start playing the game directly from our wallet. I, of course, failed. If you want a more interesting application, we can take a look at Aurori. This is a full-blown game supporting NFTs and so forth. There you go. As you can see, the game is completely loaded in the Backpack wallet. I never had to connect my wallet or click a connect button. This is all done automatically. So going back to the library, we also see here at the top MadLads. This is a project also being done by the Coral team themselves. It is a proof of concept. It is an NFT project. And of course, they will be showing exactly how powerful xNFTs can be. So the minting and everything around this project will be done within the Backpack wallet. If you want to know more about this NFT project, be sure to check out their Twitter. Again, I'll put a link in the description. They will be coming out on the 20th of April, so that's in 4 days. So I think it will be difficult to still get a whitelist. But hey, if you don't try, you will never know. The mint price will be 6.9 Sol. And even if you're not buying into this project, it is still an interesting one to keep an eye on and to see how they're going to integrate the xNFTs into this project. So what will the future bring for xNFTs? First of all, at the time of recording this video, the standard is only supported by Solana, so that of course is very limited. It is also only working within the Backpack wallet because they have the Backpack framework supporting the xNFTs. So the next step would of course be to go cross-chain, have the standard be implemented in, for example, Ethereum and other bigger blockchains, and then have the cross compatibility. And then the next step, of course, will be is to have the xNFT being supported by different wallets, by browsers, by phones, and so forth. So it's no longer limited to the Backpack wallet. When it comes to phones, again, it is interesting to know that the xNFT standard will be integrated in the Solana mobile stack. So the new Solana phone that is coming out this year and all other phones being based on this framework will also be supporting the xNFT. So that's already a very good application. But again, I would like to see it to be expanded into different ecosystems as well. In the end, I think the evolution from an NFT to an executable NFT, it makes a lot of sense. It's these kind of things that we need to onboard the next 1 billion users to the blockchain, because people don't want to know that they're using the blockchain. It has to be seamless. It has to be working in a way that they're used to and as easy as possible. And I think a standard like xNFT is a step in the right direction. Of course, it's possible other projects will come up with similar ideas, and then time will tell which one will be most successful. Nonetheless, I think this is definitely something to keep an eye on. Right, that is for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, just post a comment, or if you just want to say hi, also post a comment. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.